Okay, you're fine. And yes, I'm fine too. Students, I welcome you to today's tele-education class. So are you ready for the class? Okay. So if you're ready for the class, then before beginning the class, I want to ask you all a few questions. Okay, are you ready? Okay. So students, do you remember that we did the topic verbs in our previous class? Okay, you remember. So verbs কি আসলে তোমার মনত আছে হয়নে নাই? Very good. So মই যদি ইয়াত কেইটামান words দিও play. Okay? So for example play, তাৰপিছত run, এইবোৰ words কি হয় তোমালোকে ক'ব পাৰিবানে? Yes, very good. These are verbs. এতিয়া চোৱা আমি যদি ইয়াৰ লগত play কি দিলো? Yes, play carefully. Or যদি দিও run quickly. So, এতিয়া তোমালোকে কোৱাচোন এই word কেইটা add কৰাৰ পিছত এইকেইটা wordত বেছি meaning add কৰিলে নাই? বেছি meaningful হৈছে নে নাই? হৈছে, yes. So, these words have added more meaning to these words. হয়নে? Yes. So, you already know that these are verbs. So, এতিয়া তোমালোকে ক'ব পাৰিবানে এইবোৰ কি words হয় যোনটো আমি add কৰিছো? Okay, I'll tell you. So, these are known as adverbs. Okay? So, adverbs se ki kore? It adds more meaning to verbs aru ketiyaba adjective to besi meaning add kore. Okay, buji pala? Okay, good. So, today the topic that we are going to discuss is adverbs. Okay? So, let us see. Okay, picture খন দেখি তোমালোকে ধৰিব পাৰিছা চাগে situation টো এটা classroom situation হয়নে নাই? Yes. So চাওচোন আহা. Okay, the teacher is going to teach something to the students. So দেখিলা word টো কি ক'লে ইয়াত? Impulsively. Okay, so now let us look into the details of the topic. So teacher janiye ki koise swa? Students, let me read some sentences for you. Okay? So what is the first sentence? Ramesh and his friends are playing in the garden. Okay? So, etya Nisha kole swa. Look, there is a snake. Okay? So, ejoni Nisha hoy, etu Ramesh hoy. Okay? So, So suddenly Nisha screamed, "Look, there's a snake." Ramesh impulsively lifted his little brother. Okay? So আমি কি পালো sentence to তোমালোকে দেখিলা হয় নাই? So আহাচোন আমি চাও ইয়াতে আমি কি new word পালো? Yes, Ramesh impulsively. Okay? So কি কৈছে ইয়াত lifted his little brother. So কেনেকে lift কৰিছে? Yes, impulsively lift কৰিছে হয় নাই? Okay. So now let us look at the meaning of the word impulsively. So impulsively means without thinking. একো নভবা নিচিন্তাকে কিবা এটা কাম কৰি দিয়াটোকে impulsively বুলি কয়. Okay? So impulsively is an adverb. So next let us see. So দেখিছা তোমালোকে ল'ৰাটোৱে খুব ভয়ে ভয়ে আহিছে হয়নে নাই দৰজাখনৰ ওচৰলৈ চাওচোন আহা John heard a strange noise in the room. He walked gingerly towards it. Okay? So, John eta অদ্ভুত noise eta শুনিলে roomটোত আৰু হেকাৰণে খুব ভয়ে ভয়ে roomটোৰ ওচৰলৈ পালেগৈ. So, আমি ইয়াত কোনটো new word পালো? Yes, gingerly. Okay? So, কেনেকে walk কৰিলে? He walked gingerly. So, now let us look at the meaning of the word gingerly. Nervously. Okay, so gingerly means all nervously. Now let us look at the next sentence. Okay, এতিয়া চোৱা তোমালোকে picture খন দেখি পেলাই মানুহজনে কি কৰি থকা যেন লাগিছে Yes, he is looking for something. কিবা এটা বিচাৰি থকা যেন লাগিছে হয়নে চোৱা এতিয়া মানুহজনে ঘড়ীটোলৈ চাইছে নিজৰ That means তোমালোকে ধৰিব পাৰিছা চাগে কিয় ঘড়ীটোলৈ চাইছে Yes, because he is getting late. Okay, now let us see. Dad was late for office. He couldn't find his car keys. He went on searching for it frantically. So ইয়াত কি ক'লে যে কেনেকে বিচাৰিলে car keys যোৰ frantically. Okay, so frantically কাৰৰ keys যোৰ বিচাৰি থাকিলে. So frantically মানেনো কি হৈছে Let us see. In a hurried manner. খুব খৰধৰকৈ চোৱাটোকে frantically চোৱা বুজায়. Okay? Now, okay. So by looking at the picture, I guess you can make out what the boy is doing. কি কৰি আছে? Yes, he is watching TV. TV চাই আছে হয়নে সোফাত বহি পেলাই? Okay, so Anand is a football fan. He watched all the matches recently played in Brazil. So, by looking at the TV, I guess you can make out he is watching the football match. Okay? আৰু কি কৈছে যে recently হৈ যোৱা দুটেবোৰ ব্ৰাজিলৰ match আনন্দে চাইছে. So, ইয়াত কি কৈছে? Recently. So, here we got the word recently. Now, let us look at the meaning of the word recently. কি হয় বাৰু recently মানে ক'ব পাৰিবা নেকি তোমালোকে? Yes, recently means a short time ago. কিছু সময় আগত হৈ যোৱা কামটোকে recently বুলি কয়. Okay? আচ্ছা, এতিয়া পিকচাৰখন দেখি পেলাই তোমালোকে কি বুজি পাইছা কোৱাচোন? Yes, মানুহবোৰে লাইনত থিয় হৈছে. So, হয়তো তেওঁলোকে কিবা টিকেট কিনিছে, হয়নে? So, let us see. Okay, এতিয়া লাষ্টৰ ল'ৰাজন এতিয়াহে টিকেট কাউণ্টাৰটোৰ ওচৰ পালেগৈ হয়নে Yes, so let us look at the sentence. Sanjeev waited at the ticket counter for more than 2 hours. Finally, his turn came and he bought his ticket. So, আমি বহুত লম্বা লাইন এটা দেখিছিলো হয়নে নাই Yes, so এতিয়া লাষ্টৰ পৰা ল'ৰাজনে আগত আহি পালে finally okay মানে ইমান পৰ ৰৈ 2 ঘণ্টা ৰৈ লাষ্টত তেওঁ টিকেটটো পালে okay টিকেটটো কিনিলে so আমি কি পালো ইয়াত নতুন word Yes, finally. So finally মানে কি হয় তোমালোকে জানানে Very good. মানে অৱশেষত. Okay? At last. So, he got the ticket. So, বুজি পাইছা তোমালোকে adverbs কোনবোৰ হয়? আৰু আমি কেনেকে use কৰিব পাৰো adverbs বোৰ? Okay, very good. Okay, এতিয়া চাওচোন আহা মানুহজন দেখি পেলাই তোমালোকৰ কি ধাৰণা হৈছে? তেওঁ এজন Yes, doctor হয়, stethoscope লৈ আছে ডিঙিত, হয়নে নাই? Yes. So, let us see now. Okay. এতিয়া চোৱা, the man is now standing near the telephone. আৰু টেলিফোনটো ring হৈ আছে, হয়নে? Yes, very good. Let us see now. My father is a busy doctor. He had barely reached home last night when he got a call. Okay? So, কি কৈছে ইয়াত? He had barely reached home. So, now we got this word barely. Okay? So, do you all know the meaning of the word barely? জানা নেকি কোনোবাই? Barely মানে কি হয়? Okay, নাজানা. ঠিক আছে. মই কৈ আছো দেই. Only just. যে আহি পাইছিলেহে মাত্ৰ আকৌ ফোন এটা আহিলে হয়নে barely যে just আহি পাইছিলেহে okay so this is the meaning of the word barely okay now let us see তোমালোকে পিকচাৰটো দেখি পেলাই ধৰিব পাৰিছানে কি হৈ আছে yes lady জনী ৰৈ আছে আৰু মানুহজনে আহি কিবা কথা পাতি আছে so let us see what he is talking when Baleshwar was asked why he took so much trouble to help Roma he simply said he did it because she needed help okay so আমি কি পালো যে Baleshwarক যেতিয়া Romai সুধিলে যে আপুনি মোক কিয় ইমান হেল্প কৰি আছে তেতিয়া Baleshware কেনেকৈ ক'লে simply okay so he simply said so আমি কি word পালো ইয়াত Yes, we have got the word simply. Simply মানে জানা নে তোমালোকে সকলোৱে জানা চাগে simply meaning to হয়নে Good. Simply মানে হল in a plain manner. এনে কৈ দিয়া নভবাকে কেতিয়াবা আমি কিবা এটা কথা simply কৈ দিও হয়নে নাই Yes, so in a plain manner Baleshware ক'লে যে মই এনে আপোনাক help কৰিব বিচাৰিছো. Okay? Okay, এতিয়া আমি চাম কি আছে ইয়াত চোৱা give one word for okay so আমাক কেইটামান words দিয়া হ'ব যোনটো আমি এটা wordত প্ৰকাশ কৰিব লাগে যাৰ meaningটো ঠিক আছে okay let us see so the first one is in a hurried manner so in a hurried manner মানে আমি পাইছিলো মনত আছে নে তোমালোকৰ yes very good frantically then next one is in a plain manner আমি অলপ আগতে পঢ়িছো কি হয় বাৰু good simply next not completely to কি হয় very good partly okay then we have only just to কি হয় মনত আছে নে good barely then without thinking একো নভবাকে যে কিবা এটা কৰি দিয়াটো কি আছিলে very good impulsively then in a nervous manner so ল'ৰাজন ভয়ে যে গৈ আছিলে দৰজাখনৰ ওচৰলৈ yes gingerly very good so students I hope you have understood what adverb is so if you all have understood now I have a question for you all. So all of you take out your clicker devices. Okay, so the question is which of these expresses in a hurried manner? So option A we have rarely, option B we have frantically, option C we have simply and option D we have kindly. So I'll give you all 20 seconds to answer this question. So all of you please think properly and answer the question. Okay, students, so your time is up. So which will be the correct answer? In a hurried manner, whole, frantically. Okay, so now let us move to the next one. Our next up ki ase sausu naha. Okay, so তোমালোকে দেখিছা ধুনিয়া scenery এটা আছে আৰু ছোৱালীজনী থিয় হৈ আছে এতিয়া কোৱাচোন স্কাই খন যে দেখিছা স্কাই খন ক্লিয়াৰ হৈ আছে নে ডাৰ্ক হৈ আছে yes স্কাই খন অলপ অলপ ডাৰ্ক হৈ আছে হয়নে ক্লাউডছ আছে so ইয়াত চোৱা কি দিছে সেন্টেন্সটো Neha is an extremely beautiful girl okay so Neha is an extremely beautiful girl so আমি ইয়াত adjective কোনটো পালো তোমালোকে ক'ব পাৰিবা নেকি Yes, very good. Beautiful to her. এটা adjective. আৰু এই wordটো কোৱাচোন তোমালোকে কি হ'ব পাৰে মই ক্লাছটো বিগিনিঙত তোমালোকক বুজাই দিছিলো যে verb আৰু adjectiveক এটা wordে describe কৰে সেই wordটো কি আছিলে Yes, good. Adverb. So, extremely to কি হ'ব পাৰে কোৱাচোন এতিয়া Very good. Adverb hoy. Okay. So, আমি কি নতুন word পালো? যে extremely beautiful. কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ beautiful? Extremely beautiful. বহুত ধুনীয়া. হয়নে? That means a word to describe কৰিছে. Yes or no? Yes. Good. So, this is an adverb. Okay. So, কি হয় কেনেকুৱা টাইপৰ adverb হয় এইটো? Yes, manner. So, kenekwa ke dunia? Extremely beautiful. Okay? So, ami notun adverb eta hikilu. So, Neha is an extremely beautiful. You are beautiful to adjective hoy. And let us look at the next word. Yes, extremely. So, extremely is an good adverb. Okay? So, ami at gom palo je extremely to eta adverb hoy. Now let us see Mr. Bhuvan is a fairly calm person. So তোমালোকে ইয়াত কোৱাচোন ইয়াত adverb কোনটো হয়? Yes, very good. Fairly. কিন্তু তাৰ আগতে আমি আকৌ বুজো যে adjective কোনটো হয় এইটো sentence-ত? Yes, very good. So calm. Calm to এটা adjective হয়. আৰু এই fairly word towe calm word to describe কৰিছে it is describing the word calm so fairly is an adverb okay then the child is delightfully innocent এতিয়া কোৱাচোন ইয়াত adjective কোনটো হ'ব পাৰে very good innocent is the adjective here and which word is describing the word innocent yes delightfully so delightfully to ki hoy kwasun very good delightfully is an adverb okay so eneke ami bahut geta adverb palu thik ase etia soasun yat ki koise student ejone teacher ejone khudise je ma'am what about idli okay so কি কৈছে যে ইডলিটো কি হ'ব বাৰু ইডলিটো এডভাৰ্ব হ'ব নেকি কাৰণ কিয় কোৱাচোন আমি এতিয়ালৈকে যিমান ওয়াৰ্ডছ পাই আছো সব ওয়াৰ্ডছ বোৰ কি আছে এল ওয়াই টো বেছিকে আছে হয়নে সো ষ্টুডেন্টে ভাবিছে যে মেবি ইডলিটোতে এল আই আছে সো নি হয় সো মেবি দিস will also become an adverb okay so let us see now Oh no, Suraj. Idli is the name of an edible dish. So, ki koise? Nai Suraj, idli to adverb no hoy. Idli to ki khua dish etar naam hoy. Hane? Yes, ma'am, it's a noun. Tetia, swali jine ki kole je? Yes, ma'am, it's a noun. Karan dish or naam hoy. Ami already janu je name of things, place, food, dishes ebu ki hoy yes good noun hoy so idli to eta noun hoy adverb no hoy hoyne Etia swa. Yes, that's right. Did you know not all words that end with ly sound are adverbs? So teacher jone ki koise je তোমালোকে জানানে যে সকলো word যিবোৰ ly soundৰে শেষ হয় হেতু adverb নহয় হয়নে তোমালোকেও জানি থোৱা যে ly থাকিলে যে adverb হ'ব তেনেকুৱা নহয় okay okay so now let us see what we have okay এতিয়া চোৱা কি আছে form adverbs from the following adjectives okay so there will be some adjectives given here and what we have to do yes we have to form adjectives we have to form adverbs from the adjectives so কি আছে চাওচোন aha yes so the first word is slow so আমি slow to যদি adverb লৈ যাও কেনেকৈ হ'ব new word to কি হ'ব very good slowly then we have hope so if we change the word hope to adverb then what will be the new word good hopefully then polite to ki hobo yes politely then lazy to ki hobo very good lazily then steady to ki hobo yes steadily then we have luck luck to ki hobo koasun tumaloke very good luckily then last word to ase possible so possible to ki hobo saosun aha yes possibly so students I hope you all understood now tumaloke eta clear sage no adjectives kunbur hoy adverb kunbur hoy okay very good so etia I have a question for you all so all of you take out your clicker devices and get ready to answer the question so the question is complete the sentence with the best adverb I don't understand why he walks so dash so first option we have loudly option B quickly option C completely and option D finally so I'll give you all 20 seconds for this question so your time starts now okay students so your time is up so which will be the correct answer I don't understand why he walks so quickly okay so now let us move on to the next amar yat activity eta ase okay so aha sun ami hokolu mili pela activity to koru so ki ase swa fill in the blanks with appropriate adverbs okay so blank kisman dia hobo ami adverbs era blank eta fill up koribo lage okay so tumaloke picture to sai gom paisa sage lorasali geta ki kori ase horu lorasali geta yes they are playing okay so now let us see so Samiran and his friends were playing dash so in the options we have frantically happily okay so can you all tell now which will be the correct answer very good Samiran and his friends were playing happily okay so the correct answer is happily next let us see etia dekhila suddenly ki hol yes it has started to rain aru bijuli aru dherekoniu marise hoy ne yes so now let us see dash they heard thunder and it started raining dash so let us look at the options so first option duta ase immediately aru suddenly next ase heavily and smoothly so ki hobo answer to first blank yes suddenly keneke hunile suddenly hothate ahisile hoine nai so suddenly they heard thunder and it started raining. কি হ'ব পাৰে কোৱাচোন তোমালোকে? Very good. It started raining heavily. খুব জোৰে বৰষুণ আহিলে heavily. Okay, then let us see next what we have. Okay, so now they are running inside their house. Okay, so বৰষুণ দিছে এতিয়া আৰু খেলিব নোৱাৰে হয়নে? Yes, so ঘৰৰ ভিতৰলৈ দৌৰি গ'ল. So let us see what we have. They ran dash into the house. So bracket আছে quickly and inside. So কি হ'ব পাৰে? Good. They ran quickly into the house. So the answer is quickly. Then let us see. Okay, এতিয়া তেওঁলোক ঘৰৰ ভিতৰ আহি পালে চাওচোন আহা all of them were dash drenched. Okay, so all of them were dash drenched. So কি আছে option frantically completely. So which will be the correct answer কোৱাচোন? Very good, they were completely drenched. Okay, so correct answer is completely. Then okay, এতিয়া চোৱা মাকে গৰম গৰম সিহঁতক খাবলৈ কিবা আনি দিছে হয়নে চাওচোন আহা Samir's mother gave them towels to dry themselves. She gave them hot snacks. Okay, so তাৰপিছত কি আছে চাওচোন আহা They add the snacks dash relishing it. Okay, so in the bracket we have immediately or suddenly. So কি হ'ব they ate the snacks dash relishing it. So কি হ'ব পাৰে very good immediately. Okay, so they ate the snacks immediately relishing it. Okay, এতিয়া আমি এইটো paragraph টো এবাৰ ভালকে চাই লওঁ আহা Samiran and his friends were playing noisily. Suddenly they heard thunder and it started raining heavily. They ran quickly into the house. All of them were completely drenched. Samiran's mother gave them towels to dry themselves. She gave them hot samosas. They ate the snack immediately, relishing it. Okay? So, তোমালোকে বুজি পালা চাগে এতিয়া আমি বহুত কেইটা adverb পালো ইয়াত হয়নে নাই happily heavily then তোমাৰ completely হয়নে নাই so new আমি words বহুত কেইটা পালো okay so এতিয়া চাওচোন আহা কি আছে so picture টো দেখি তোমালোকে ধৰিব পাৰিছা চাগে দুজনী lady আছে and they are talking to themselves হয়নে so let us see conversation to Sahami. Hi Sabita, are you going out? So the lady in green is asking the lady in blue that, Hi Sabita, are you going out? Hi Suma, I am going for a walk. Would you like to join me? Sure, give me a minute. How often do you go for walking? Though there is a lot of work to be finished at home, I manage to go on a walk almost every day. That's great. Do you go for a walk? I rarely go for walks. I usually spend time with my kids. Yes, I always have some work or the other, but I never miss my work. Okay, so now let us look at the conversation. So, তোমালোকে চকু ফুৰাই চোৱাচোন এবাৰ conversation টো তাৰপিছত আমি চাম যে আমি ইয়াত কি কি adverbs পালো ঠিক আছে Okay, so এতিয়া চাওচোন আহা আমি কি কি adverbs পালো ইয়াত So the first one is everyday. So everyday টোত L নাই okay but still it is an adverb. So everyday to কিয় adverb হয় জানানে তোমালোকে because adverb it is an adverb of time everyday মানে কি বুজাইছে সদায় কথা কৈছে সময়ৰ কথা কৈছে হয়নে নাই so etu eta adverb of time hoy thik teneke amar adverb of manner thake adverb of place thake okay so different types of adverbs thake then next one is rarely so keneke manner yet manner to dekhaise so keneke jay wakole khub rarely jay I rarely go for walks okay khub rare ketia ba he jay thik ase then usually mane hosor okay so hosor I usually spend time with my kids so usually is another adverb okay then always ako always to time dekhaise always mane ki hodai sob time hote thik ase okay so ami yan bahut adverbs palo so everyday rarely usually aru always hoine then never okay but I never miss my walk so never to ki dekhaise yes hetu eta adverb hoy ketiao miss nakoru okay so eneke ami different types of adverbs etia hikilu hoine so first everyday then we have rarely then we have usually always aru never okay so buji pala tumaloke je okol ly thoka word bure adverb nubujay tar bahireo bahut beleg words thake jibure time bujay place bujay manner bujay okay je ami je ko his house is near his house is very far so near far tumaloke janane ebur ki bujay yes adverb of place okay so place bujay so kod ase usor ase durod ase so place or kotha bujaise hoy na nai yes so hebur adverbs hoy so etia amar activity eta ase so let us see ki ase activity to okay rewrite these sentences after adding the adverb correctly okay so amak kisuman sentences dibo ami adverb to correctly likhi ako ebar sentence to likhi dekhabo laibo so Raghu goes to bed early or bracket ase always so ami keneke korim etu let us see first to ami dekhai lo de tar bisot tumaloke muk koba Raghu always goes to bed early then next we have Murali swims in the swimming pool so in bracket we have sometimes so ami to keneke koribo paru sausu naha Murali swims in the swimming pool sometimes okay then number 3 we have they study for the exams together in bracket we have often so let us see often to ami ki keneke ami ei sentence to use koribo paru sausu naha they often study for the exams together so students thik ase maloke buji pala keneke ami adverbs use kori sentence eta aru besi meaningful banabo paru buji pala ne okay good so now here is another question complete these sentences with the correct form of words given in the list okay so let us look at the sentences okay tumaloke gom paisa sage classroom eta situation dise aru teacher jone ki koise class picnic so maybe they are arranging for a class picnic so students bur sobe hat uthaise besi bhage hat uthaise tumalokor class ot jodi eneke teacher ahi koy je class picnic ami arrange korisu tumalokeo bhal paba hoine nai yes so the students were also very happy the teacher announced that there would be a picnic. All the students started talking about it. Okay, so we have to take the help of an adverb and complete the sentence. So, ki hobo pare tumalke kobo paribane? All the students started talking about it. Kunobo? Yes, very good. Excited. Okay, so excited to ami jodi adverb banai diu ki hobo? Yes, good. Tetia hobo excitedly. Okay. Then next we have, my mother dash wakes up early. She has a lot of work to do. Okay. So, which will be the correct word here? Always. Okay. So, আমি কেনেকে লিখিম sentence to এতিয়া? My mother always wakes up early. She has a lot of work to do. Okay. Then next we have, Rajat takes a lot of care while driving. He drives. কি হ'ব পাৰে কোৱাচোন? Good. কেনেকে drive কৰে? বহুত care লৈ drive কৰে. Therefore আমি কি ক'ব পাৰো? He drives careful. So careful টো আমি adverb যদি বনাই দিও কেনেকে হ'ব? Word to new word to? Very good. He drives carefully. Okay? So কেনেকে drive কৰে? Carefully drive কৰে. ঠিক আছে? Okay, so students, now I have a question for you all. So all of you take out your clicker devices and get ready to answer the question. So কি আছে question to? What is the adverb of the word happy? So first option is happiness, option B happier, option C happily, and option D happiest. Okay, so I'll give you all 20 seconds for this question. So all of you answer it correctly. Okay, so your time is up, and the correct answer is the adverb of the word happy is happily. Okay? Okay, so we will quickly summarize whatever we have learned today. Okay? So আমি কি পঢ়িলো আজি? Yes, adverbs. So adverbs কি আছিলে? Yes, so adverb of time, place, manner, frequency. Okay, so মই কৈছিলো তোমালোকক এইবোৰ adverbs হয়. So daily, then tomorrow, then yesterday, soon, before. So these are adverbs of time. Okay, then we have here, there, everywhere, forward, and over. So these are adverbs of place. Okay, তাৰপিছত আছে brilliantly, carefully, hardly, nervously, and almost. So these are adverbs of manner. Then often, never, always, sometimes, আৰু once. Okay, so এইবোৰ হ'ল adverbs of frequency. So students, I hope you are benefited by today's class. We'll meet again in the next class with a new and more interesting topic. Thank you.